What's up, guys? I'm gonna be turning this $12 into $100, and let's see what happened. You feel what I'm saying? So on a 30-minute time frame on volatility 75, I saw a bearish flag on volatility 75, and I'll be marking it up. Okay, so all right. You make sure you draw all your trend lines by using the wicks. Okay, you make sure you draw your trend lines by using the wicks. Okay, all right. So now everything is ready. So I'm gonna be putting my sell positions over here when the price touches the trend line over here. But for now, I'm gonna be entering my sell positions right now, because the market can pull down. You know, the market can go down anytime, because we are at a resistance level. You can see over here the market has been respecting that level for too long now. So let's enter our sell positions, guys. Let's enter our sell positions. Yeah, so guys, the reason why I entered this trade is that the bullish flag always goes bearish. Okay, it always goes bearish. But for now, let's see how the market reacts to our analysis. And yeah,
a few moments later.
what's up, guys? When we entered the market just went down. Okay, when we entered, the market just went down. So we have around $9. So we have around $9. So let's close. So let's close as we look for another setup. So what's up, guys? This is day 2 of turning $12 into $100. So we have $20.91. Okay, so for now I spotted a bullish flag, okay, on jump 75 index, and I'm gonna be marking it for you to see. Okay, so right here we have our bullish flag, and let me mark it for you. Okay, so we have first of all, you draw your trend lines. Okay, you draw your trend lines correctly using the wicks, and second of all, you draw your resistance level, your resistance area. If you see that you're not seeing everything very well, you come to a 30-minute. Okay, if you're using a 1 day, you come to a 4-hour time frame to see the potential moves. Okay, to draw your wicks correctly. Okay, so since now I spotted this on a 2-hour time frame, I came to a 1-hour time frame and I draw my trend lines. Okay, and I came to a 30-minute and I draw my trend lines correctly. Okay, and that's what you have to do to draw proper trend lines. Okay, so now we have done our trend lines. This is a bullish flag. Okay, this is a bullish flag. Why is it a bullish flag? We see a movement coming up and then some consolidation. Okay, we see some consolidation going up and down in this channel. Okay, then price will come all the way. Okay, price will go up at the end of the day. Okay, so what are we looking for right now? We're looking for buys. Okay, because the bearish flag always goes bullish. Okay, this is a bullish flag. It's a bearish flag, but it goes bullish. Okay, so now we're marking our support level, which is over here. Okay, this is our support level, and for this we can see over here This was our resistance level. It made a fake out, and the people who bought over here, they're gonna get stopped out. I'm sure all of them go stopped out. Okay, so now we're gonna be putting our buy positions here, and let's see how the market reacts to our analysis. Okay guys, I'm gonna be putting my buy positions.
A few moments later.
So what's up guys, we're back again. So the moment we entered our positions over here, the market went down and it triggered some of our buy orders and it spiked up. Okay, so now we are at $51, $51. So now I will book some profit. Okay, I will book some profit and I leave others run. Okay, I will leave runners run as we wait for a pullback, because I'm sure there is gonna be a pullback before the market goes up. Okay, so I will book some profit guys, and yeah, now let's just wait and see how the market reacts. Okay, I will be updating you soon. So what's up guys, after we left our runners run, the market just went up, and yeah, we're in profit. I'm gonna be closing full position right now so that we can get another position to take us to 100. Okay, and yeah, let me close right now and let's see. Okay guys, now we are at $67, and yeah, pretty much let's just wait for another setup, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So what's up guys, you remember the trade we took? Okay, you remember the trade we took? It has already went to TP, full TP. Okay, it went full TP. So for now what we're gonna do, we have already seen it broke out of resistance. Now it went with a pullback. Now this is the TP over here. So I'm gonna be entering my buys. It's the same position we took before, as I told you. So I'm gonna be entering my positions with since we are at around 67. Okay, I'm gonna go full margin over here. Okay, I'm gonna go full margin guys. Okay, we have a big account now guys, we have a big account. It can accumulate a lot of positions, right? So guys, let's just wait. I entered around, I think these are enough. Okay, these positions are enough. I don't want to blow. Yeah guys, so that's around it. All right guys, so if you want to use the broker I'm using to trade, use the link in the description. This is the best broker. It has the low spreads, you know, as you can see. And well, click the link in the description to sign up this broker. You join, I might gain something from it. And yeah, pretty much that's it. I'm gonna be updating you soon. Okay,
A few moments later.
so what's up guys, I'm back with an update right here. So we're still at the market over here. We up $43. Okay, that's total up to $110. All right, so I was analyzing and I saw this on my left hand side over here. There is another block right here, which is a resistance level, which means that the market will react to this. Okay, the market will react to this zone. Okay, the market will react to this zone. It's a daily time frame, but It's not far from my entry though. So I'm gonna be closing here, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. If you didn't understand something, rewatch the video. And yeah, guys, tell me the challenge you want me to do next. And yeah, use my link for this broker and link in the description. And yeah, guys, take care, guys. Yeah, peace out.